Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this video I'm going to take you through the things that you need to know about NigComSat, their frequencies, their satellite location, and how you can actually get a stable signal using your satellite dish. Alright, so if today happens to be your first time being on this channel, all you got to do is to subscribe, like the video, and then comment below if you have any question, and I'll get back to you. So NigComSat is basically on the east 42 degrees, and then you wanna use this TP to track. We have different TPs that you can actually use to track, but you can use this one, the main one that you can use to track and then get it easier. It's 12519 horizontal 29500. So it will be on your screen. Just pick up the TP, insert it in your finder, and you're good to go. To get to know your direction, get a compass. That compass will actually enable you to get your direction. And their satellite is TechSat 42 degrees. It's all select their satellite and then know what you are doing. And you can use a 50 centimeter dish, any dish ranging from 50 upwards. You can actually use it to track for NigComSat. And the LMB position have to be either 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and you can adjust it anywhere that you get enough of the signal strength. You should position over there and then track for the signal. And the NigComSat is in the multi-TV lane, multi-TV and DSTV lane, so you can install NigComSat DSTV multi-TV on a single satellite dish. So I will do a tutorial on that later on. So just subscribe if you are new here, hit the bell icon, share on other platforms that I set YouTube videos, and you'll be blessed. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up.